After personally facing a completely dark television and testing many solutions, I finally found effective ways to fix it, and I'll share them with you now. This video offers the complete guide for the Samsung Smart TV Black Screen Backlight Fix 2026, helping you solve your display problems. First, we address basic power issues by fully resetting the TV's internal power components. This clears small electrical glitches or signal errors, stopping the backlight from working. Second, a software reset is key. This clears out bad system files or wrong settings that might be keeping your screen dark, giving your TV a clean slate. Third, updating the firmware is vital. Old software can have bugs or compatibility issues that directly affect the screen, so a fresh update often fixes these deeper software-related backlight failures. Lastly, the service menu provides special diagnostic tools. It lets you see hidden settings and error codes, helping you find exact hardware problems or adjust backlight levels to get your screen working again.